Today we're looking at the simulated flood testing that we're doing for S2, but it isn't that dramatic. We've got this chamber here filled with 5 meters of water, and we've mounted our device at the bottom of it to really stress it beyond its standard IP68 rating. But what is an IP68 rating? Well, IP stands for ingress protection, and 68 basically states that no dust can get into our device, and it needs to withstand submersion for 30 minutes at about a meter's depth. But we know in the real world, flooding events are going to be meters high and last for days and weeks, so our device has to be strong enough and rugged enough to go well beyond these limits. So as you can see, we've taken our device out of the chamber, and after 30 days it is still working, which is so exciting. But at Kallipr, we're not doing this stuff just to check a box, even if it is 30 days. We're doing it to test the limits. So we're going to put this back in and see how long it lasts for until we see signs of failure, or just until we get bored. So if you've got any ideas for an extreme test that you think would actually break this, let us know.